Last week we covered how to set up your OBS, so this week we're going to cover how to set up your alerts for new followers, subscribers, donation and so on with your StreamElements. Okay, now first thing you want to do is go to your StreamElements. Make sure you have your Twitch already connected with your StreamElements, and onto the first screen when you log in you will have a button saying My Dashboard. Now from here you go to My Overlays, and this is where you can create as many like different alerts and stuffs you want. Now you probably won't have anything in here. This is everything I set up over time. You go here to this button where it says create blank overlay. Just click on it and it will ask you the overlay resolution. Now this is where you choose the resolution you're streaming at. Because I am streaming at 1080p, I am going to leave it exactly how it is and just press start. Okay, here if you have an overlay like a camera border and boxes for your new followers, new subscribers and stuff like this, you want to add this right at the beginning. It's going to make it easier to set up everything else. So if you just go here to this plus button in the corner and go to static / custom and just choose an image. From here add an image. Now in the left corner here press set image and look for the overlay you will want to attach to this. Now for the purpose of this video I'm just going to select whatever this one in here, and I'm just going to drag it all the way to the other corner. Like this is going to be on 1920 by 1080. Now if you want to display your latest follower, latest subscriber, latest cheer, top cheer or stuff like this, again go back to your plus button in here, go to labels, and let's choose the first one. So if you go to subscribers, you have the latest, total and all-time subscribers. So like you have a subscribers count and you have your subscribers goal, which we're gonna I'll show you this a little bit later. Now let's just add the latest subscriber from the list in here. If you just press on it, and automatically it will display it right here in the corner. Now all you need to do is drag it wherever you want. I'm just going to put my latest subscriber in the box where it says latest subscriber. In the left hand side in here, if you want to change, I just want to display the name of the person, so I don't want it to say latest subscriber, because I already, for example, I have here on top of the box saying latest subscriber. So I'm just going to delete this in here, and like this I just have the name of the person who last subscribed. Now if you want to change the text settings, like if you want to choose another font or another color, you can do it from here. Let's just put it in on red for now. Just have a look around, play with it and see what's best for you. Okay, moving on to the next one. I want to add the latest follower in the box in here. I'm going down to the plus button, go to labels and go to followers. Again, choose latest from the list, and then you have here latest follower and recent followers. So I'm just going to choose the latest follower, and again you see is displaying it in the corner here. I'm just going to drag it down, delete the latest follower text. I just want the name in there as well. Go to text settings again, have a look around, change the font if you want, change the color. Let's just again, let's just leave it on red, and this is done as well. Moving on to the next one, I want to display my latest cheer here, for example. Again, I'm going to go to labels, go to beats, and again latest, and just press in here. Same like in the other one, text is going to display in the corner. Again, delete the text, or you can leave it if you want. I want to show the name of the person who last gave bits in the channel and the amount of the bits, and again, text settings, choose the font, choose your color, and finished. Next one I have in here is the top cheer. You might have something else. Again, just look in the list for the ones specific for your overlays or whatever you want to display. So if I go again to bits, total and all time in here, and it's showing me the total cheers, your total Twitch cheer amount, top cheer list, top cheer, your highest cheer by the time segment. You can choose top cheer by your top cheer by the time segment and your amount of cheers during the time segment. So I'm just going to choose here top cheer, and again you see there is no data in here, but again, same like on the other ones, you can just delete and it will just display the name and the amount. Okay, we're moving on for alerts this time. So if someone follows you or subscribes to you, give bits or donates, so you have your alerts set up in here. Again, go to the plus button, go to alerts, and choose the first from the list in here, which is called alert box. Now on the left hand side, you can see here all the alerts you can set up. So you have your follower alert, subscriber, tip alert, cheer alert, host, raid, and purchase alert in case you have any merchandise set up with StreamElements. This is where you can do it. Now let's start with the first one. We're going to the follower alert. Just press on the button in there. Now StreamElements already has one set up in here. As you can see, it's animated. It's the little heart in there. If you want to see how that looks on your screen and how it sounds on your screen, if you just go here to emulate and to follower event, and this is exactly how it looks and sounds. Now to change this is very easy. Just first of all, remove it, this one from here, what StreamElements gives you. So just press the X in there. Now if you have an image, just set the image from here, or if you have like a video, so it's if your alert is animated, just press on video here. I have an animated one. These are all the ones I have in here. I'm just going to choose one for the purpose of this video, and which just says new follower on it. I'll show you in a second, and press submit in here. Now for the sound, you go down here, press upload sound, and again in the corner here you can upload all your sounds. I already have a few uploaded in here, so I'm just going to choose thunder sound effect right here and press submit. And now if I go to emulate and go to follower event, that was loud. That's exactly how it's going to sound and how it's going to look onto your stream. And now if you look on the left hand side in here, you can from here on the layout, you can position where your alert is going to be and the alert message. So like from StreamElements, you have the name displaying and saying is now following you. If you want to change that, if you want to have a different message, just delete this and put whatever you want in there. Also, you can choose the duration of your alert. It's in seconds, so mine is set on 10 seconds. And also, if you want to add different variations, you can do it from here. Just press the button and add a new variation. Moving on to the next one, let's go to do a subscriber alert now. So if you just go out from here, go to subscriber alert, press the button next to it, and just like on the follower one, you have already one from StreamElements, which is animated. They look pretty cool. If you just want to keep that and upload a different sound, maybe you can do that as well. I am just going to change it. Again, I'm going to go to video, and I already have one here which says new sub and a little thunder in there. I'm just going to press submit on that one as well. And on the sound, let's choose an epic thunder this time, because we have already the thunder on the follower. So I'm just going to put the epic one onto the subscribers one and press submit. Now if I go to emulate subscriber event in here, and just press and see how it sounds. Okay, that's the subscriber alert is set. Let me show you some of the other settings you have in here for it. Okay, now here on the left hand side, just like with the follower alert, you have the layout, you have the message you want, the duration of your alert, how long you want it to last in here, and the variation settings. Now for the subscribers, you will want to have a close look at this one. So if you go to press the button in there and add a new variation, you will see why. Just give it a name, and I'm going to call it or choose from the list here a resubscriber. The reason why you want to set this up as well is because the first one we set up is just when someone subscribes to you for the first time. If they resubscribe, so they're coming back on a second month or third month or whatever, the sound and the image will be the one you have from StreamElements. Now you can see I already have mine set up in here, but again, you will have here the one StreamElements gives you. So again, just clear the video, choose the image or the video you want, and upload the sound for the resubscriber variation. So again, if you up here, you can see variation parameters. So again, if you just click on it, you will see the different ones: month subscribe, subscription tier, gift, community gift, paid upgrade, subscription extension, and the name. Now choose which one you want from the list. I'm just going to leave you it on month subscribed. Condition in here, it's exact, and the requirement amount, I'm just going to leave it on 1, which is just 1 month subscribed. And then again, press here save variation. I'm just going to close it for now. As you can see, I have mine set for a resubscriber. When month subscribed is at least 2, I have a subscriber gift. So when someone gifts a subscription onto your channel, or 5 or 10 or whatever, then you have a different sound or a different image, or you can have the same image or the same animated one you have on the other ones as well. You choose from the list there. Just make sure for each and every one of them you have something in there. If not, StreamElements will give you the one from the beginning. All right, moving on to the next one. Now want to set up the let's say the raid alert. So if someone raids you, you have an image or a video and the sound in there. So again, just go to the settings, same like on the other one, clear this one, change the video. I already have one in here with the green screen. I'm not going to set up that right now with the green screen. I will make another video on how to do more advanced ones, but it's exactly like on the other ones, guys. So just choose from the list which one you want, upload your sound, and you are ready to go. Now guys, it doesn't matter what alerts you want to set. As you can see, you have the tip, cheer, and host alert in there as well. I'm not going to do them all because it's exactly the same process like on the follower, subscriber, and the raid. All you need to do is click on it, choose the video you want or the image you want, choose the sound and the duration and all that, and again have a look in variations, see what suits you better, and pretty much that's it. Okay, now before you do anything else here in StreamElements, just make sure you press the save button in the right corner in here and give it a name. I'm just going to call it YouTube, and press save. Now all your alerts and your like latest follower, latest subscriber, and all that is set up. Now another thing you can do in StreamElements that I'll show you in a bit, if you go back to your panel, to your dashboard in here, if you go sorry, into your left hand side, you can have chat commands in here. So if you just press the chat commands, again by default you will have in here quite a lot of them from StreamElements. just activate and deactivate which ones you want and which ones you don't want. Now if you want to have custom ones, all you need to do is go here to custom commands. As you can see, I already have here Discord, lurk, socials, merch, Steam, drops. So again, go to add new command and just give it a name. Let's just call it YouTube for now. Now the command in your chat, if you want it to appear, it will have an exclamation mark in front and then the name you gave to the command, so YouTube in this case. You can set up who can use that command. So like on user level, you can have everyone. You have only the subscribers, regulars, VIPs, or moderators, super moderator, and the broadcaster, which is you. And here on response is the message you want. So I'm not gonna write anything in here. I'm just doing it example for the purpose of the video. And then all you need to do is press activate command in here. And then again, every time someone does this in chat, so exclamation mark YouTube, this message will appear into your chat. Now, if you have a Discord, you can put your Discord link in there, or your YouTube channel in there, or a message for when someone says lurk, or if you want your social media to pop up, you can do that all in here. Okay, now to add your alerts and your overlay and all that we did before into your OBS, all you need to do is go to my overlays, go to the one you want to have displayed, go to preview in here, and then all you need to do is copy this link. You can close that page as well, and then in OBS here, all you need to do, into your sources, press plus, go to browser, give it a name. So I'm just going to call it alerts 3, so I don't get confused with the other ones I have, and then press OK. Now in here, delete this link and copy the one from StreamElements and choose your resolution. Now in this case, I'm going to go 1920 by 1080 because that's the resolution I'm streaming it. If you have a different one, then just choose it in there, and then all you need to do is press OK. And then as you can see, the overlay pops up in here. Just take your camera and drag it in there, make sure you adjust everything. And now let's say I go to my latest follower in here, and I just give a refresh. I can see it's going to appear on the screen with the alert. This is it for today, guys. Now, as I said earlier, I will have another video a little bit more advanced on how to add different stuff to your StreamElements and to your stream. And also, if you have any questions, I am live on Twitch Monday to Friday. Stop by in there or leave a comment below. And if this video was any help for you, please like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.